Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a new art tutorial for you of a midnight sky in Greyscale, so let's hurry up and get started. As usual, I'm gonna start off with a acrylic nail, and this time I've applied a black gel polish and on top of that a black top coat, a matte black top coat, no not a black top coat, a matte top coat, so we end up with a matte black nail, is the point. If you're gonna do this on your natural nails, that's also very possible. But just make sure that if you use gel nail polishes, you use gel nail polishes that are actually formulated to be used on natural nails. You know, make sure they're safe to use on your natural nails. Or you can just do this with normal nail polishes as well. Obviously the drying time of the base is going to be a bit longer, but you know, it's entirely good too. Yeah, I'm just using a white acrylic paint for basically this entire look. I wanted to challenge myself and do something in full grayscale instead of using colors. So basically I'm just using different brushes to get the result I want, and I'm starting off with what's pretty much just going to be the mountains in the foreground. So yeah, I'm just trying to get some texture in there. Then it's time to go at the sky, and I'm sort of envisioning, I don't know, maybe standing on a faraway planet without any light pollution, or maybe somewhere in the desert. You know, where you can see a lot. So I'm also painting some falling comets or falling stars, whatever you want it to be really. Basically I'm just painting a dot and then wiping off the brush and dragging out said dot so it gets a bit of a tail, and then reapplying some white where needed so it is clear that there's something falling. Basically. I'm making it sound far more complicated than it actually is, but you just saw me creating them, so you know how it works now. And then, as soon as my thumbnail of my other hand is out of the screen, I'm painting a moon here. I suppose the moon will only look like this during when there's some other planet or something blocking it from view, and not in a natural state of being. But anyway, it's a very, very sharp moon. But yeah, I just liked how dramatic it looked like this. And then also I'm gonna add some stars, and with the stars I feel like it just works best to have them be clustered, because that's how they naturally look usually. So yeah, there's some clusters of stars here and there to make it look like an actual night sky. Then once everything is dry, it's time for the first layer of top coat. I'm just using the exact same matte gel top coat that I used before we started the nail art. And obviously curing it underneath a lamp. If you're using normal nail polish, then the same thing goes. Just wait for the acrylic paint to be fully dry. Apply your top coat, matte top coat, and wait for it to dry. But we're not gonna end it there. I mean, you could end it there and just keep it as a full matte nail art if you'd like. That's entirely fine too. But I wanted to give it something extra. So once the matte top coat is cured, I'm just going to add a little bit of a glossy top coat. Again, with normal top coat, you know, the drying time will be longer obviously, but you can also just do this step with a normal top coat. But yeah, basically I'm just patting it on the parts that I want to be glowy using a dotting tool. A very, very tiny one. Pretty much just anything that gives off light or reflects the light. Technically the moon of course doesn't give off light, it just reflects it. Technically, but anyway. And also the tips of the mountains. And do try with the very tiny stars to really try to keep the top coat on the stars. Because if the sky around it is too shiny, then the effect kinda doesn't work anymore. And for the mountains, this really is a good chance to really make sure they look like mountains and not like some weird misty clouds thing. Just by, you know, really detailing the edges of the mountain peaks. Just make sure that there's a lot of detail there and it'll really improve the look, in my opinion. And then once that top coat is dry as well, we're done. So this is the final results. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more videos, you can always subscribe to my channel. I actually only do nail art once every few weeks and mostly focus on makeup on the face. Everything I've used for this look will be listed below the video. And for now, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!